As someone who runs a few businesses, I know how important it is to have a payment gateway since more and more people prefer to pay using their credit cards. And who doesn't want a fast, safe, and easy checkout process that is just going to help close more sales, keep customers coming back, and boost your brand and your revenue at the same time. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk about my top 4 best payment gateways for small businesses, which are Paysafe, Leaders Merchant, Stax, and PayArc. And depending on your situation, I'm sure that at least one of them will turn out to be a good fit for you. So let's jump in. All right, so the company we're going to talk about first is called Paysafe, and Paysafe is a global payment and credit card processing service that operates in 120 markets around the world and supports all major types of payments, from credit cards and digital wallets to direct debit and bank transfers. And they also offer 70 localized payment types, including in-store, online, cross-border, and mobile point of sale or POS systems, which gives about a total of around 250 ways that you can accept payments if you open a merchant account with them. And I know that credit card processing for small businesses can be expensive, but Paysafe's interchange-plus plan is available to eligible U.S. businesses for a monthly flat rate of $7.95 with transaction fees of 0.50% plus 10 cents for both swiped and online transactions. And for an extra $200 a month, high-risk merchants such as dating services and gambling sites can also use Paysafe's Gateway, which is powered by Authorized.net, a Visa subsidiary that allows you to accept credit card payments in multiple currencies from around the world with secured checkout. Now, this works for online credit card processing and integrates easily into most websites. And when it comes to payout times, I found that they're actually pretty fast, delivering your money on the 5th business days. And Paysafe earns its name by stressing extra secure checkouts using end-to-end encryption, tokenization, and other fraud prevention tools. Now, on the other hand, Paysafe doesn't offer as many integrations as some other processors, although they are quite versatile. Their in-store payments work with several terminals, and they also offer discounts for Clover devices. And their mobile app can turn your smartphone into a payment processor, which is very useful for people who work on the move, like handyman or a personal chef, things like that. Now, as far as my review goes, Paysafe gets mostly positive ratings for the good customer service, easy processing, and the low transaction fees. But they also have a few customer reviews complaining about how their contracts closed out. But the bottom line is, Paysafe is one of the best payment processors I've had experience with. The pricing is geared towards small businesses that are only making a few high-value transactions. However, if you're running a bigger business with higher processing volumes, you can negotiate serious discounts based on their own custom pricing scheme alone, which means Paysafe has something for every business. Now, next up on the list is a company called Leaders Merchant Services, otherwise known as LMS, who do things a little bit differently. They offer standard payment processing for all kinds of businesses, as long as they have a physical address and a checking account in the US. So Leaders is powered by Paysafe, and they use the same highly secure Authorized.net gateway from Visa. But they also have a lot of deals on POS devices from some of the best known brands. So if you are looking to get some free equipment, you should definitely reach out to discuss a long-term contract with them. So when it comes to pricing, they're genuinely competitive, but that's usually based on their tiered pricing system, which can end up costing you more. But this means you can and should ask for the interchangeable plus pricing plan, the most transparent and affordable processing rate that they have. Also, you should make sure that all their fees and extra monthly charges are clearly spelled out in your agreement, especially their early termination fee of $250 to $350, which you'll need to pay if you want to get out of their standard 3-year long contract. All right, so Leaders might not be for everyone, especially considering the payment holds on large transactions, such as large checks or foreign payments, but they stand out for helping businesses with cash flow issues by giving them business loans and merchant cash advances based on their projections of future sales. So if cash flow is an issue for you, Leaders might be a good choice. Just make sure you take some time to read the fine print. And just to reiterate, if you decide that you want to try any of these payment gateways, you can use the links down in the description to get a discount, which you wouldn't find directly on their website. And just so you know, we may earn a small commission on top, which does help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, if merchant account pricing seems too complicated to you, then you should definitely consider Stax, a flat rate subscription payment processor that gives you an all-in-one merchant solution for all your swiped, keyed, mobile, and contactless payments, as well as month-to-month billing. This is a great solution for small and mid-sized businesses because there are no hidden costs and no long-term contracts, which also means no early termination fees. And the Stax Pay dashboard is pretty user-friendly and gives you one simple place to manage all of your payment processing, as well as convenient tools for invoicing, billing, inventory, reporting, and e-commerce. On top of all that, Stax can save merchants as much as 40% on their processing fees with a membership plan that uses their interchange-plus pricing. So you pay a monthly subscription rate based on your total annual processing value. Now, subscriptions start at around $100 if you process less than $150K a year, and going up to almost $140 a month between $150,000 to $250,000 a year, and just under $200 a month if your annual transactions are over $250,000 a year. And if you add the Interchange Plus transaction fee, then the flat rate Stax charges per transaction are 8 cents for swiped and 15 cents for online credit card payments. So this does work really well for businesses that are growing fast. But if your transactions amount to less than $20,000 a year, it just doesn't make sense to pay their relatively higher monthly rate. And Stax does have lots of integration options. So for example, you can easily sync your QuickBooks data into the integrated payment platform, which is very handy. And there are some great optional add-ons like compatible terminal hardware, next-day payouts, a mobile app, and shopping cart software. But all of this is only available to US-based merchants. Either way, Stax has a lot of good customer reviews for its ease of use, extra features, and their quick processing times. But there are some negatives when it comes to customer service. And now we come to the last merchant payment processor in today's video, PayArc. So PayArc is a payment processor built for small and mid-sized businesses, especially if you're looking for something that's flexible, secure, and doesn't come with monthly fees. Instead of listing set plans or rates, everything is customized based on your business, which can be a huge plus if you don't want to get stuck with a one-size-fits-all solution. They also offer something called dual pricing, which lets you pass card processing fees back to the customer if you choose. That way, you're not taking a hit every time someone pays with a credit card. It's a smart way to keep more of what you earn, especially with tight margins. Now, feature-wise, PayArc covers all the bases: credit and debit card payments, ACH transfers, invoicing, recurring billing, and mobile payments. Plus, you get tools for fraud prevention, customer profiles, and real-time analytics, all in a PCI compliant setup. The platform is web-based and works well across phones, tablets, and desktops. And for hardware, they've got a solid lineup of PAX and Deja Vu terminals. So whether you're behind a counter or out in the field, you have options. Customer support is fast and reliable. And if you do prefer doing things on your own, their Knowledge Hub has plenty of helpful guides and walkthroughs. So if you are after a merchant services provider that gives you personalized pricing, solid tools, and support that actually helps when you need it, PayArc's a strong option to consider, especially if you'd rather skip the monthly fees and still get a full-featured platform. So bottom line, each one is great in their own way. Paysafe is ideal if you're making fewer high-value transactions or run a high-risk business. You get secure global processing and lots of payment methods. Just watch the contracts and ask about their custom rates. Leaders Merchant Services works well if you need hardware deals or business funding. Just make sure you get their fees and contract terms in writing, as their default plan includes a long-term commitment. Stax is perfect if you want flat, predictable pricing with no surprise fees. It's best for growing businesses doing over $20,000 a year. Below that, the monthly cost is just not worth it. PayArc stands out for offering full-featured tools with no monthly fees. It's great for small to mid-sized businesses who want flexible custom pricing and just solid support. Choosing the right one really just depends on your needs. All right, so that's all for this review. I hope you got an idea of which payment gateway would be the best one for your business, and please let me know how it went if you choose one or the other. And as I mentioned earlier, if you want to give any of these services a try, you can use the affiliate links down in the description below to get a discount that you won't find directly on their website. And as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, and I'll try to answer any questions or comments you leave down below as fast as I can. And finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.